Your doors are more than just entryways. They protect your home, enhance its appearance, and play a big role in energy efficiency. But like any other part of your home, doors wear down over time. For many Carencro homeowners, the question becomes, should you repair your existing door or replace it altogether? The right choice depends on your door's condition, the underlying issues, and your long-term goals. Here's a helpful guide to understanding when a repair is enough, and when a full replacement is the smarter investment. When door repair makes sense if your door is structurally sound and the problems are minor, repairing it can restore function and appearance without the cost of replacement. Checkmark common repair scenarios. Minor hardware issues. If your door is sticking, squeaking, or not latching properly, it might just need hinge adjustments, new hardware, or fresh lubrication. Replacing worn hinges, handles, or locks is quick, affordable, and often restores smooth operation. Cosmetic touch-up, small scratches, dents, or fading from Carencro's sun and humidity can often be handled with sanding, repainting, or refinishing. These touch-ups improve curb appeal without major expense. Weather stripping or seal replacement. If you notice drafts around your door, it could be a simple seal issue. Replacing worn-out weather stripping or recaulking the frame can prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. Frame adjustment. Slight warping or alignment issues can sometimes be corrected by adjusting or reinforcing the frame, especially if the door itself is still in good condition. Warning: when repair has limits. Repairs can extend the life of your door, but only if the underlying structure is sound. If your door has visible damage, rot, or persistent leaks, repairs might only offer a temporary fix. When it's time for door replacement, there are times when repairing your door no longer makes sense, especially in Louisiana's humid climate, where moisture, heat, and storm exposure can take their toll. Checkmark signs you need door replacement. Visible damage or warping. If your door is cracked, warped, or soft to the touch, it's likely suffering from water damage or aging materials. These problems compromise insulation and security and can't be fixed with simple repairs. Persistent drafts or energy loss. Doors that no longer seal properly around the edges can let in hot air and humidity, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Modern replacement doors with insulated cores and weatherproof frames provide much better energy performance, keeping your Carencro home cool and comfortable. Moisture and mold growth. Wood doors exposed to moisture can swell and harbor mold, especially around the frame. Once this happens, replacement is the best way to prevent further damage and improve indoor air quality. Security concerns. If your door is weakened, has loose hinges, or a failing lock, your home's safety is at risk. Replacing it with a steel, fiberglass, or reinforced wood door ensures long-term protection. Outdated design or poor curb appeal. Even if your old door still works, replacing it can dramatically enhance your home's look and value. A stylish new entry or patio door can boost curb appeal and make your home more inviting, an especially good idea if you plan to sell in the future. The benefits of professional door replacement. Replacing your door isn't just about appearance, it's an opportunity to upgrade your home's comfort and efficiency. Professional installation ensures tight sealing to prevent air and water leaks. Durable materials suited for Carencro's humidity and storms. Energy-efficient designs that lower utility bills. Long-term warranties for peace of mind. With modern materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and composite wood, you'll enjoy doors that resist rot, fading, and corrosion, lasting for years with minimal maintenance. Making the right choice for your Carencro home. If your door only needs minor fixes, repairs may do the trick. But if your door is aging, inefficient, or damaged, replacement offers better long-term value and performance. Local professionals can inspect your current setup and recommend the best option for your needs and budget. Whether it's a simple repair or a complete upgrade, working with a trusted Carencro door expert ensures your home stays beautiful, secure, and efficient. Final thoughts for Carencro homeowners: choosing between door repair and replacement doesn't have to be complicated. The key is understanding your door's condition and long-term goals. A well-installed replacement door not only improves energy efficiency and security but also enhances your home's overall appeal. When in doubt, consult local professionals who understand Louisiana's climate and can help you make a choice that delivers comfort, beauty, and durability for years to come.